So, developmental age period is one of the foundation of growth and development. So, the first period in development process is prenatal period. So, this period is from conception to birth of the infant. So, this period is the most crucial period in development process because of the rapid growth rate and the total dependency of the infant to the mother. So the stages during prenatal period, the first one is germinal, from conception to approximately 2 weeks. The second one is embryonic, from 2 weeks to 8 weeks of life. And the third one is fetal, from 8 weeks until the birth of the baby, or from 8 weeks until 40 weeks. So the second period in developmental age period is infancy period. This baby is from birth to 12 months. So during this period, there is a rapid motor, cognitive, and also a social development. So the example of rapid motor is that the baby can turn his body side by side. And the example in cognitive, the baby know the use of the specific object. Example, the baby know how to push the button, the button of the toy. And the example in social development is the baby know how to eye-to-eye contact to the person, that to those people naga-talk sa area. And also, so stages during infancy period. So the first one is neonatal, from birth to 27 or 28 days. The second one is infancy, from first month up to 12 month of an infant. So the third period in developmental process is early childhood, from 1 year old to 6 years old. So this period wherein the motor development advances, like they acquire language, like they know how to communicate for those people around them, and they wider their social relationship, they learn role standards, and they also gain self-control, and they begin to develop a self-concept. And stages during early childhood, the first one is toddler, 1 to 3 years old, and the second one is preschool, 3 to 6 years old. Wherein in preschool, there are some child already started their kindergarten in this stage. So the next period in developmental process is middle childhood, 6 years old to 11 or 12 years old. This period also known as a school age, because the development of the child is directed away from the family group and centered on the wider world of the peer relationships. So this period wherein the child has another relationship, like they already gain a friends, like they playing with their friends, especially in school. So lastly, the last period is a late childhood period, from 11 years old to 19 years old. So this period, the biologic and personality maturation begin, and also the puberty also starts in this period. Like in female, they already like their breast enlarged and having a vaginal discharges or menstruation, like and also in male, having a pubic hair, or like their also their height increases. That's some example in puberty. And the stages in during later childhood is, the first one is prepubertal, and starts in 10 years old to 13 years old. And the second one is adolescence, 13 years old approximately to 19 years old. That's all. Thank you.